Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm finally back home from Europe. I got in last night and it felt so good to sleep in my own bed after 3 weeks being out of town. But I don't know how much footage I really got while I was away. Hopefully enough to make a vlog out of. I've been just really enjoying my time there and just wanted to be in the moment and hang out with family. But today John and I woke up and we went we're going straight to IKEA because I start my new job that I was telling you guys about in one of my last vlogs. So I got to go get my desk and get that all set up and stuff. So I'm super excited to do that. And oh my god, my camera's on. And then I have an insane amount of laundry to do. I haven't even started it because we literally just woke up, got some Starbucks, and headed down to IKEA. And I kind of wanted to do like an unpack with me, get back on track vlog after being out of town for so long. And I don't know if I should do like a separate vlog for my home office renovation, or if I should kind of just like tie it into this vlog. I don't know. I'm gonna figure that out. But down to IKEA now. Guys, I am back home. I got the desk, got computer chairs from like I think Office Max, and I realized I unpacked my suitcase and I didn't even show you guys because I got so in the zone. But unpacked everything and separated all these loads of laundry. I'm literally gonna be doing laundry for like the next week. But clothes are washed. I put all my like toiletries away. I cleaned all of the bottoms of my shoes off. I like to wipe them down before I put them back. And then I gotta start cleaning my house because my house is a mess. So, gonna do that. Gotta get the furniture out of my guest bedroom, which, let me show you guys. I'm sure if you've been watching my vlogs, you've seen it. This all has to come out, and then we are going to put my new desk in here. Guys, and sorry that I look like an absolute mess right now. This mirror needs to be wiped down, but I didn't vlog yesterday because I literally cleaned my house all day long. I know no one wants to see that, but I wanted to show you guys what I did. So right here I used to have like this bookshelf that I really wasn't a fan of, and then the mirror was right here. I just got this actually right before I went on my trip. So I got rid of the bookshelf and I put it in my office, and then I just put this mirror in this corner, which I kind of love right here. And then I really want to get some new lamps because I'm not a fan of these anymore, but there's that. And I want to show you guys my little office. Obviously not done yet, but everything's put together. Here it is. I need to organize the top of this. Obviously it's a mess, but my little office. This is a filing cabinet, which I'm going to get rid of and put all of my documents in these bottom things. Here is the bookshelf. It looks so much better in here. And I still have my makeup thing, which I feel like is so big. And I wish I had a smaller one, or I wish I could get rid of it, but I need it. I need somewhere to like get ready at. And then I have my clothing rack and then my lights, which I wish I could like put here, but I don't have the room for it. So I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. I gotta figure something out. And then I have all this stuff that I need to organize that was in my, what's it called? It's in my drawers and bedroom furniture that was in here. So still organizing this, and I tried to take all of my documents out of here and put them in there, but these are just way too big for it, I guess. So I need to go to Target and get a bunch of stuff and find ones that are smaller so they could fit in there, and then just get everything ready for work because I start on Tuesday. So I want everything to be ready. I got to turn on the computer, set it all up, all of that stuff. So today I'm going to finish trying to organize this. I still haven't gone grocery shopping, which is so bad. I need to go and get a bunch of food and things. So that's all I'll be doing, and obviously I'm gonna be bringing you guys along. So last time I filmed, I was showing you guys my office. Since then I went to church and we visited a bunch of our family, and then we stopped at Costco. I still didn't do my full grocery haul, but we stopped at Costco and I got a couple little snacks and things. Oops, I just shoved it on the floor. But this is a shampoo I've been using. I really like it. Oh well, I also got my nails and I totally forgot about that. My usual girl was booked, so I had to go somewhere random. They came out okay, but whatever. Got the shampoo that I've been really liking. It's so cheap. It's like 10 bucks for this whole thing. And I just got some hand soap that I needed. This Method one. And then I got these Mush overnight oats. Since I'm starting work, I wanted to have like easy little snacks I could just grab real quick in the fridge. So these ones are super clean. I don't know where the ingredients are. Back. Super clean ingredients. Healthy, good for you. So I like to have that. John wanted these Unreal little chocolate bars. I never tried these Siete almond flour wraps. I've always been wanting to try them, so I finally picked them up. Then I got some jerky as another little healthy, high protein snack. And then some pistachios and then some Greek yogurt. And that's all I got. I'm finally about to go grocery shopping. I'm so obsessed with this office. I keep coming in here, but I'm just gonna write down all of the things that I want to make this week and have a grocery list next to it, just so I know exactly what to get and I can be in and out of the grocery store. So one of the first things I want to make is tacos. I know that John and I wanted to make vodka chicken tacos, or I'm sorry, vodka chicken pasta. And then along the side, I'll just write, I need some gluten-free pasta, I need sauce, I need chicken, I need ground beef for tacos. Actually, I think I have ground beef, so never mind, I said out. I need tortillas. And then I'm just going to go through everything that I want to make for the week and then just keep writing that down so I can have an effective grocery haul. This is what I like to do. It keeps me super accountable. Throughout the week when I find like inspo on TikTok or whatever, I will just literally put a note on my phone and then write whatever ingredients I need, and then it's so easy and effective. So love doing that to come up with my meals throughout the week. So there's that. Alright, I finally did my big old grocery haul. I'm making a tortilla soup this week, so I just got a bunch of like beans and tomatoes and tomato paste, and I like to have this long grain rice on hand. It's so good. You literally just throw it in the microwave and it's ready. And I'm making what's it called? Shish kebab. So I got that with some like zucchini and squash, and then broccolini, then some sour cream, and then cottage cheese for like a high protein snack, granola, tortilla crisps, a shallot, some taco seasoning, gluten-free pasta just to have on hand, some bone broth, lemons, potatoes, banana, ginger and jalapeno, my squash, apples, some orange juice. John wanted to try these sourdough muffins, so we got that. Some vinegar, pasta sauce, milk, and then I just got some like chicken breast, chicken thighs, and turkey bacon. So that is everything that I got. Today was the first day that I went back to the gym since I've left, and it felt so good to be back, but it was hard. I can't believe like how weak I've gotten, but it's all right. We will build ourselves back up. Feels so good to be eating good homemade food again, so excited for that. And yeah, that is everything that I got. So I meal prepped a delicious chicken enchilada soup that I've made multiple times before. I just wanted to have a super easy lunch that I could just warm up real quick and not worry about, since obviously I mentioned many times that I'm starting work, so I just didn't want to have to worry about it. That soup is so good. I'll leave a recipe down below for the one that I use because I love it. I've made it multiple times, and I just took a shower, oiled all up, and I'm about to go to bed. So I'm going to end off this vlog here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.